guys, welcome to this dance tutorial, guys. Welcome to this dance tutorial. Now to be a quick one. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe down. I do dance tutorial and dance challenges for you guys. So now let's dive right into my screen. Now the first step in this challenge, the first step in this tutorial is listen guys, so you shake your hands, shake your hands. This is it guys, like this. Wait. 2, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, I'm not going to do the second step yet. The first step, guys. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think, guys, just shake to the right, shake to the left, shake to the right, and shake to the left. I'm facing this side, shake your hands. Face this side, shake your hands. Please. 1, 2, 3. I'm doing it 3 times for you. You do your 1, 2, break. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys, everyone start again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Are you guessing, guys? Make sure you get it up to that point, And let's dive right into the challenge one more time. So you guys, I'm sweating a lot. Let's have to clean that sweat. And let's have to beat the first one. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry guys. Let's go. In case I watching this video up to this point, kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Like this video for me, guys. If you enjoy, like this video for me. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is step 2 of the dance tutorial, guys. Step 2 of the dance tutorial. Now, the next step in this tutorial is raise up your hand. Drop it twice. Any composer for this, drop it twice, raise up your hand. So after you do this, side, you drop your hand down, drop your hand side. Let me do it so you guys will get the concept. 5, 6, 7, 8. I think guys, this is what I just did. Did you see what I just did? So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Watch me guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm doing slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's it guys. It's a slow one. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is it guys. That is the brief tutorial. So I'm not done yet. For the final step, something like this. Something like that. Just that easy step to do that, guys. It's that easy. Now, let's just from the beginning once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. I say, got the money, get down, So guys, that is what we're ending the tutorial for today. In case you like this video, kindly subscribe down below. I don't want to make the video too long for you guys. Kindly subscribe down below. Click on the like button. Turn on the notification bell for you guys to be notified whenever I upload a video. And remember, don't forget to like these 2 videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video.